talk tomorrow, alright?
I get inside. Morning, Auntie. Angie, we need to ask you a big favor. Please. We need a $200,000 onto the account and you can put it back by next week.
Mike, something going on with you what I need to know about? Cause you moved Gigi. At the third time this year, go borrow money, you know.
We can't tell everything right now. Later time we'll explain it to you.
Remember, so we are partners, you know, Mike. And you can talk to me about anything, you know.
Angie, me tell you something, we'll talk to you about it, man. We'll sort it out. You can't just sign off on it. Me need it urgent.
Alright, Mike.
Alright, Angie, me talk to you. Thanks. Everything alright, Miss Bristol?
Yeah, man. Everything alright. Whisper. Link camouflage and on the circle me. Yeah, no.